Hello everyone, I'm Farhal Imran and today I'll be telling you some very exciting news about how Procreate app said no to generative AI. So Procreate app is a popular iOS illustration app. So how people used to ask like, will you incorporate generative AI in your app? And Procreate said that they won't be adding generative AI in their apps. And I'll be telling you what are the reasons. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. So I'm here at a blog and it's wired.com. So here it says that a popular iOS illustration app is saying no to generative AI. So on Sunday, Procreate announced that it will not incorporate generative AI into its popular iPad illustration app, and this decision comes in response to an ongoing backlash from some parts of the art community, which has raised concerns about the ethical implications and potential consequences of AI use in creative industries. So, Procreate says that generative AI is ripping the humanity out of things, and this Procreate wrote on its website, and it's built on a foundation of theft. The technology is steering us toward a barren future. So scrolling down, even in a video posted on X, Procreate CEO James Kuda laid out his company's stance, saying, "We're not going to be introducing any generative AI into our products. I don't like what's happening to the industry, and I don't like what it's doing to artists." So even the CUDA sentiment echoes the fears of some digital artists who feel that AI image synthesis models, often trained on content without consent or compensation, threaten their livelihood and the authenticity of creative work. And that's not a universal statement among artists, but even like you see, like AI image synthesis is often a deeply divisive subject on social media, with some taking starkly polarized positions on the topic. And even Kuda's video plays on that polarization with clear messaging against generative AI. His statement reads as follows: that you've been asking us about AI. You know, I usually don't like getting in front of the camera and I prefer that our product speaks for themselves, and I really hate generative AI. I don't like what's happening in the industry and I don't like what it's doing to the artist. So we're not going to be introducing any generative AI into our products. And our products are always designed and developed with the idea that a human will be creating something. You know, we don't exactly know where this story is going to go or how it ends, but we believe that we're on the right path supporting human creativity. So, this debate over generative AI has intensified among some outspoken artists, as some companies you see like more companies integrate these tools into their products. Even dominant illustration software provider Adobe has tried to avoid ethical concerns by training its Firefly AI models on licensed or public domain content. But some artists have remained skeptical. Even Adobe Photoshop currently includes a generative fill feature, which is powered by image synthesis, and the company is also experimenting with video synthesis models. Even the backlash against image and video synthesis is not solely focused on creative app developers. Even hardware manufacturer Wacom and game publisher Wizards of the Coast have faced criticism and issued apologies after using AI generated content in their marketing materials. So, Toys R Us also faced a negative reaction after debuting an AI generated commercial. Even companies are still grappling with balancing the potential benefits of generative AI with the ethical concerns it raises. Artists and critics, how they react to. So this Procreate's anti-AI announcement has been met with largely positive reaction in replies to its social media posts, and in a widely liked comment, artist Freya Homer wrote on X, "This is very much appreciated, thank you." And also some of the more outspoken opponents of synthesis also they were in favor to Procreate's move, and even some even replied to Procreate's video on X that whatever you need at any time, know I'm here. And they say that artists support each other and also support those who allow us to continue doing what we do. So thank you for all you did, and so excited to see what the team does next. And even there was an artist, RJ Palmer, who stoked the first major wave of AI art backlash with a viral tweet in 2022. He also replied to Kuda's video statement, saying that now that's the way to send a message. Now, if only you guys could get a full power competitor to Photoshop on desktop with plugin support until someone can build a real competitor to high level Photoshop use. And even some few pro AI users also replied to expose, including AI augmented artists who uses generative AI as an accessibility tool. She also wrote that most of my early work is made with a combination of AI and Procreate. And even 7 years ago, before text to image was really even a thing, I love Procreate because it used tech to boost accessibility. Like AI, it augmented trade skill to allow more people to create, no rules, only tools. So here you see like how this comment has made a positive impact in the artist community and everyone is replying with positive statements about it. And but some even say that it's slightly risky because it also might polarize part of its user base. And if the company changes its mind about including generative AI in the future, it would have to walk back its pledge. For now, Procreate is confident in its decision. They say that in this technological rush, this might make us an exception or seem at risk of being left behind. Procreate road. So, but we see this road less traveled as the more exciting and fruitful one for our community. So, that is all from my side. Thank you so much.